Welcome to Jar Videos. I am going to show you an interesting thing today. Currently, I am in the beach. The wind is blowing hard and the waves are coming fast and higher. Some fishermen are trying to get in their boats into the sea for fishing. It seems very hard. You can see the waves are pushing the boats. Their colleagues are helping to send the boats into the sea. Because of the wind they are unable to sail the boat. You can see how difficult it is. A fisherman's life is obviously very hard. Their life is not good. Every day they go to sea to fish with high risk. Anyway, this is their life. Finally they got their boat into the sea. Good luck, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in another interesting video. Thank you.